Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to put music in a Facebook status. The first thing we will do is open the Facebook application, then click on Create History to generate a new state. Next, we select the content we want to put in our story or status. Then, let's click on the stickers icon at the top. In the next window, we will scroll down and click on the avatar icon. Now we can select the avatar we want for our story by clicking on it. Now we can place and resize the avatar in our state. Once it is ready, we can publish it by clicking on Share. We will already have our avatar in a Facebook status. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.